I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to deposit money into your Apple Pay account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where you manage all your payment methods and Apple Pay settings. Step 2. Tap on Apple Cash. In the Wallet app, find and select Apple Cash. This option allows you to manage your Apple Cash balance and deposits. Step 3. Add funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Choose payment method. Select a payment method for the deposit. You can use a linked bank account or debit card. Make sure your card is valid and linked. Step 5. Confirm the deposit. Review the details and confirm the deposit. Once confirmed, the funds should appear in your Apple Cash balance almost instantly. Just a quick note, if you're using a debit card, ensure it has not expired, otherwise the deposit may fail. Happy depositing!